So we're trying to look at Orion with a 4K infrared camcorder, and that's the rightmost star. I'll come back and see whether we can see the belt. Okay, that's the leftmost star, upper star on Orion. And the belt seems to be a little bit too faint to see with this camcorder. So I'm coming back down to the street to get my bearings. So straight above is Orion's belt. I do not see it. You can definitely see stars, but only bright stars. You see there's a lot of twinkling of the stars, and that is coming from atmospheric turbulence. Okay, one last look for the belt. I do not see it. So we can see stars with this camcorder, but not dim stars. Hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.